Accuracy is vital when you want to measure your blood pressure from home. Watch this video to understand how to get the most accurate readings. What you do before and during a measurement impacts accuracy. 30 minutes before measuring, avoid strenuous activity, taking a shower or bath, and drinking hot or cold beverages. Do not talk, move, or cross your legs during a measurement. With the right preparation, taking a measurement is just a breeze. Remove your watch and bracelets from your left arm. Roll up your sleeve to reveal the skin of your upper arm. Make sure your sleeve isn't too tight. Now wrap the cuff around your bare arm, 1 inch above your elbow at heart level. Align the tube with the main artery in your arm, running towards the middle of your palm. The cuff should fit snugly, but not too tight. If the cuff is in place, sit comfortably in a chair with your back straight and supported. Take a deep breath and relax for 1 minute. Now you're ready to start the actual measurement. Press the start button. The cuff will start inflating. When the cuff reaches the top blood pressure, the measurement will start, and the cuff slowly releases pressure. It will finish when the lowest blood pressure has been reached. The display will show the reading and save it in the memory. If you move during a measurement, the movement symbol will display, indicating a possibly inaccurate reading. You can connect your blood pressure monitor to the MedM Health app. After completing a measurement, it automatically shows in the app. Showing an overview of your trends to your doctor has never been easier. iProven. Professional care brought home.